Hi, my name is Tracy, and I am happy to report that I just passed my MTEL. Yes, I did. I'm so excited. Oh, opening that email and seeing you met the qualifying score was just delicious. 4 times. I've taken it 4 times, and I finally passed. Oh my God. These exam-like practice tests are amazing. You're dealing with professionals that really know the content of the subject you're taking. It is unbelievable. I'm the type of person that I get a lot of anxiety when I go in to take a test. I just freak out and I question myself. And when you're down to those last two, answers that kind of sound similar, but not really. And then I question myself and I change it, and then, I'm just not sure. But anyway, this time was different. It felt so much better when I walked out. And just the tips they offer in general, oh my God, really helped me relax and deal with the anxiety and just the stress of taking the test in general. So thank you so much for helping me pass my MTEL. I'm a very happy girl. Thank you.